Little storyteller.
Penny was a sweet girl with bright blue eyes and a sprinkle of freckles across her nose. Her favorite thing was her red-handled paintbrush. One sunny morning, while humming a little tune, Penny accidentally knocked over her juice cup. "Oh no!" she cried, looking at the orange puddle spreading on her colorful rug. But then, something amazing happened. As her paintbrush touched the juice, the orange color disappeared as if it was never there. Penny giggled. Her paintbrush was magic. She ran to her room, which was a bit messy. Toys were scattered on the floor, and her fluffy purple bunny, Bobo, looked a little lost in the clutter. Penny waved her magic paintbrush, and poof, the blocks zoomed back into their bin, and the books hopped onto their shelf. Bobo watched with wide, curious eyes. Cleaning was so much fun with her magic paintbrush. Soon Penny's room looked spotless. But then, she wanted to play again. She took out her colorful train set and built a long track across the room. When she was done, she just waved her paintbrush, expecting the train to disappear. But it didn't. The train stayed right there on the rug. Penny frowned. Bobo hopped closer and nudged a train car with his nose. Penny realized something. Her magic paintbrush could clean up messes, but it couldn't put things away properly. She still needed to pick up her toys and put them where they belonged. So, Penny smiled, bent down, and started putting the train cars back into their box, one by one. Bobo watched, his fluffy tail twitching. Soon, all the train pieces were neatly packed away. Penny looked around her room, which was now tidy because she had put everything in its place. She hugged Bobo. "My magic paintbrush is great for spills," she said, "but putting things away myself helps keep everything neat and organized." Bobo seemed to nod in agreement. It felt good to have a clean room, all thanks to her magic brush and her own hard work. Now Penny knew that even with magic, it's important to do your part to keep things tidy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.